always gain by giving love. So, 14th of February every year is celebrated as Valentine's Day. Now, love has a lot of parameters. Okay, so love is not only romantic love. Love can also be experienced through admiration of friendship, the admiration with the relationship you have with your parents, and relationship in general with people around. Love is not only romantic love, as Saint Valentine every year on Valentine's Day celebrated this day to celebrate love, admiration, and affection between people. Often people write messages and letters and send them gift to actually celebrate the day of love. So, if you just see what love is, it's just not the feeling of romantic relationship between a boy or a man and a girl or a woman. So, it surpasses a lot of other things, okay? So, we can love our friends, we can love our parents and our family members and anyone, even our pets. So, the most important thing we have to remember in this process is that let's not just put love and celebrate love only on Valentine's Day, but on every day of our life. Let's, make small changes, admire people, tell people that they are worth loving, and every day we should try to encompass this material of love in our life. Try to understand what love is as a material in our life every day, and just not for one single day, that is Valentine's Day, which comes every year. We should try to do it every day, and we should try to love ourselves and then the people around. We should remember that how this love actually changes the way we think, process, and feel a lot of things. So yeah, let's not celebrate Valentine's Day just for the sake of the fad, the whole concept of it. But Valentine's Day, or the day of love every day in our life, and appreciate people around. But that doesn't mean that you wouldn't like celebrate a day. We have Father's Day, Mother's Day, and every day, every sort of day like that, Water Day. So yes, celebrate Valentine's Day, but the whole component of love, let's not take that component out, and let's just celebrate not only celebrate the people but the feelings as the whole.
A very good morning to one all present here. This is Shreya Ghosh and I am currently pursuing History Honours from Lady Shri Ram College for Women, New Delhi. And today I am speaking on the topic Valentine's Day, a need or just a celebration. Joyce Maty, in her poem Love and the City, rightly remarked, "Times of gorge and rush are these. It's an age of drying lips, of undreaming nights, of life crushed and ripe." Today's fast-driven world has reduced our hearts into mere drumming machines, juggling between the emoticons of love and Instagram stories, while our hearts are actually starved from the pure, unadulterated form of love. Modern day 21st century love is actually standing for innumerable hashtag trends, flaunting couple goals, prenuptial shoots to capture the perfect shot, dining and luxuries, and all these efforts just to portray to the world a utopian perfection of love, while all that remains of us is loneliness and despair. Thus, I firmly believe that Valentine's Day is of absolute necessity in today's world, as it gives recognition to rekindle our hearts in the purest unconditional love that we once believed in. The love that soothes our mutilated soul with its delicate passion. The love that makes one carry through its darkest phases of life. The love that makes one fall for the simplest joys of life, even amidst the windows of a moonlit night at home and not the five-star hotels. The love that metamorphoses people into genuine, kinder beings, and thus makes one believe in the goodness of humanity. Thus, I conclude my speech with the words of Priya Malik, stressing on the need of love rather than just a celebration, by saying, "मुझे प्यार नहीं, इश्क चाहिए, बेबाक, बेखौफ, बेतकल्लुल बंदगी चाहिए, मुझे प्यार नहीं, इश्क चाहिए." Thank you.
A warm welcome to the watching audience. Myself, Anirban Maiti, a student of TIGPA Sugli, would like to venture my views on a topic quite interesting for any teenager like me: Valentine's Day, a need or just a celebration? The pillar of this discussion could be cemented from the famous legend of the great Catholic priest Saint Valentine, born in Rome in the 3rd century. At the time of Valentine's life, many Romans were converting to Christianity, but the Emperor Claudius II was a pagan and created strict laws about what Christians were allowed to do. Claudius believed that Roman soldiers should be completely devoted to Rome and therefore passed a law preventing them from marrying. Saint Valentine began to marry these soldiers in secret Christian ceremonies, and this was the beginning of his reputation for believing in the importance of love. Eventually, Valentine was found out and jailed for his crimes against Claudius. While imprisoned, Valentine cared for his fellow prisoners and also his jailer's blind daughter. Legend has it that Valentine cured the girl's blindness and that his final act before being executed was to write her a letter or a love message signed "From your own Valentine." But in former times, as the concept of Valentine's Day spread to different countries, different cultures have developed their own traditions for this festival. Valentine's Day is most commonly associated with romantic love, with millions of Valentine Day cards being exchanged each year. In some parts of the world, Valentine's Day is observed as a day for expressing love between family members and friends, rather than that of romantic couples. Some traditions include leaving lollies and gifts for children, and others include acts of appreciation between friends. Thus, considering the times of Saint Valentine, this day was of real significance, but with passage of time, we humans have transformed it into an eve of celebration. But again, frankly speaking, even today there is a need of such special days, as hatred of mankind against each other is gaining its height day by day. And someone has rightly said, hatred paralyzes life, but love rejuvenates it. Thank you for being patient listeners.
Hi, I'm Navamita Lahiri. I read in class 8 in Modern Public School. Today's topic is Valentine's Day, a need or a celebration. Valentine's Day is known as a day of love. It is considered as a day to express your feelings and show your affection towards someone. That can be your parents, that can be your siblings, that can be your soulmates, even that can be someone you know. Nowadays, Valentine's Day is all about showing in social media and expensive gifts, expensive dinners, and most of us have this misconception that Valentine's Day is only for couples. It would be far better if we spend some time with our family, our loved ones in the occasion of Valentine's Day. According to the me, not a single day can be a Valentine's Day or a day to show love. Love can be shown in the form of mercy, in the form of forgiveness, even in the form of punishment sometimes. So, not a single day. Every day should be Valentine's Day.
Hello everyone, I am Diganta Ghosh, studying in class 12 in Ushangini Balika Vidyalaya. Now, I want to share my perspective about Valentine's Day. Valentine's Day, is it a need or it's just a celebration? We all know that Valentine's Day is celebrated on 14th February across the world. On the honor of Valentine, Saint Valentine, a Roman Catholic saint who was martyred. Valentine's Day is celebrated as an annual festival of love. Some people think that Valentine's Day is the day when they can show their love to their partners, while some people think that it's just a commercial day. They do not need to exchange gifts to show love to their partner. In this case, I personally feel that if the bonding between two people is really strong and their love is true, then they do not need just a day or a specific day in the year to show their love to each other. And exchanging gifts with their partners on 14th February to show their love is not enough to get into a relationship. In this case, I personally feel that Valentine's Day is just a celebration. I mean, there's no need of celebrating your love or Valentine's Day in just 14th February, a single day of the year. If the love is true and if the bonding between a couple is really very strong, then obviously they just don't need a single day in the year, that is 14th February, to show their love to each other.